Did you know that you can manifest your desires much faster by starting small? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use micro manifesting to build momentum, build your belief, and attract bigger desires into your life. In this video, we're going to cover what micro manifesting is, why it works so quickly, and I'm going to share a few simple techniques that you can start using today. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to apply micro manifesting to your daily routine. Hello, powerful manifestors. Welcome to my channel. I'm Victoria Gallagher, the Law of Attraction hypnotist and #1 best-selling author of Practical Law of Attraction and the creator of the Believe Hypnosis app and the Powerful Manifestor Mastermind community. And I'm here to help you tap into the power of your mind, align yourself with manifesting conditions, and successfully attract your dreams, your goals, and a life you love. Now, before we dive in, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up if you are excited to learn new manifestation techniques each week. So I would love to hear from you. What is the smallest thing that you have ever manifested that just made you smile? Go ahead and drop that in the comments below. It could be a free coffee, a parking spot, or even a text message. Sharing your wins is going to inspire others too. All right, so let's get into this micro manifesting. So, micro manifesting is the practice of focusing on very small, very specific manifestations that you can attract quickly and easily. So, instead of jumping right into, I'm manifesting $100,000 a month or whatever it might be, you might want to just start with something really small, really believable, like manifesting $100, $10, whatever it is. Instead of jumping right into, I am manifesting my soulmate, you might manifest a smile from a stranger, or you might manifest a date, or you might manifest somebody flirting with you. Got it? So just start small. The reason why this works is because success builds belief. Every time, the longer manifestation is going to take a little bit longer, clearly. So it's easy to lose faith along the way. But when you start with something small, you're literally training your subconscious mind to expect to see results over and over again. And belief is one of the most powerful manifesting conditions. So I have a quick question for you. Would you like me to help you with this a little bit more by making a video that guides you through a 7-day micro manifesting challenge? Let me know with a yes in the comments if you would like to participate in a 7-day micro manifesting challenge. Say yes in the comments, or say micro manifesting in the chat, in the comments. That way I'll know exactly what you're talking about. Saying yes, I may not know exactly what I asked by the time you comment on this video months from now. So let's go ahead and have you say micro manifesting in the comments if you're interested in that. Now, how to do it. Here are 3 simple ways that you can start to micro manifest today. So the first thing is set tiny intentions each morning. For example, today I intend to hear my favorite song on the radio. One of the things that I did as a micro manifesting, which really kind of came out of the blue, I literally asked my own subconscious mind when I was out for a hike, what would be the most infinitesimally small thing that I could manifest in the next 24 hours that would give me a sign to let me know that all of my dreams are on their way and they are unfolding in the, time and the way that I would like them to. And I literally heard a ladybug. Okay. And I thought, wow, that's kind of crazy because there's not really any opportunity to manifest actual ladybugs here. in Arizona where I live. And literally the next day, I opened my Believe app on my phone and I was looking for a particular session on gratitude that I had not looked at in 2 years. And I didn't know because I have over 1,000 sessions in the app. I didn't know that that particular session had a picture of a ladybug, and voila, there was that ladybug. I manifested it. So this is a really, really great way to build up your own faith and your own ability to manifest. Today, I will find a penny. Whatever it is, keep it light, keep it fun, keep it specific. Then the next step to this is to celebrate that win. No matter how big or small it is, celebrate the win immediately. Whenever it shows up, no matter how small, smile, say thank you, universe, feel the gratitude for it because the gratitude reinforces the pattern of winning. And it's literally telling the universe that I'm powerful and I do create and I do manifest and I do win. So all of that. It's kind of like when I manifested that ladybug, I'm like, oh my God, that really happened. And I was so excited and I jumped up and down and I got really excited over like literally just this picture on my phone. So do the celebration step. And then step 3 is to stack the micro wins. So once you've manifested something small, build on that and go from, the small thing, like maybe you manifested $1, maybe you manifested $10, maybe you manifested 100, go to the next level of that. From this, one manifestation, build very gradually from there. I know you want the big things, but if you've never manifested the big things, it can be a little hard to build up that belief in yourself. So this is how you build the belief from one new connection to a whole network of different things. I manifested this, I manifested that, I manifested that. From I manifested the free coffee to I manifested a luxury trip. So the micro manifestations build into macro manifestations. So I want you to imagine that if you could manifest in the next 30 days, what you could manifest if you did this every day for the next 30 days. If you practiced micro manifesting every single day, what would you start with? Comment below and let's co-create some momentum together. Let's micro manifest together. Leave a comment. Let me know what you are micro manifesting and then come back and let us know when you micro manifested that so that we know that this worked for you and that you are building, and then let us know. Just keep micro manifesting, keep coming back to this video and letting me know. So if you found this session helpful, please go ahead and give it a like, a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon so that you never miss out on any of these sessions, these manifestation techniques. And don't forget to check out my Believe Hypnosis app for guided manifestation meditations, affirmations, hypnosis sessions, all to help you manifest luck, abundance, success every day. This is going to train yourself to believe in yourself and to have the faith and to have the confidence. That's why the app is called Believe, because it helps you to do just that. And if you are ready to go even deeper and you want to work a little bit more closely with me inside the Powerful Manifestor Mastermind community, that is where you're going to get access to all of my courses. I host live weekly trainings, accountability, and challenges to create real breakthroughs. And I'm going to leave all the links below in the comments. And remember, say this with me right now. I am a powerful manifestor. Say that. I am a powerful manifestor. Say it one more time. I am a powerful manifestor. And if you're so inclined, go ahead and leave I am a powerful manifestor in the comments. And I will send you also some information on how to join my community. Thank you so much for watching. And I will see you next time. Happy manifesting.